Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a pitha recipe. I think I made it around like more than 1 year back. I think more than 2 years back during Bihu. So here I am taking broken sona masuri rice. You can use any variety of rice or you can even use the ready-made rice flour that you get to buy in the market. So here I'm soaking it for about 2 to 3 hours, and after 2 to 3 hours I rinse it with water, and here I'm letting the extra water drain out, and in a kitchen towel I will just spread it for about 2 to 3 hours so that the excess water is dried, and after that we can grind it. I will be using a mixer grinder. If you have access to direct sunlight, you can keep it under direct sunlight for about 2 hours. So here, as you can see, the rice is still moist, and I made a powder with it. Here I am adding pinch of salt, pinch of elaichi, and for sweetness I am adding jaggery. You can use sugar, jaggery or stevia, whatever you prefer. You can use that depending on the taste. Take. Because I did not add any excess water, it's like a dried powder that is made. Here I'm adding some water just to make the paste bit runny. So this should be the consistency. It should not be very runny and it should not be too thick. Here I'm just transferring it in a bowl. Some people prefer to prepare it and then let it rest for a few hours, but I did prepare it immediately. Here I will, in a kadhai, I will heat oil, and the paste is also ready. It was during morning time that I prepared it, and we had few different varieties of pitha that day for breakfast on the occasion of Magh Bihu away from home. So once the oil is heated up, you can start pouring the batter. If you pour just 1 spoon at a time, its shape will be nice. But otherwise you can put more than one also by compromising the shape. So I did 2 or 3 at a time, and you need to fry it in low to medium flame until they are golden brown, because as you can see these are a bit thick, so for it to cook from inside out it's better you keep the flame low or low medium, and batch by batch you can prepare it all. The good thing about this pitha is that you can store it for a few days and it will remain good. Here I offered one pitha to him. Yeah. Yeah. And he tasted it. And once it is ready, you can serve it, and you can even store it for about a week. I served it with another variety of pitha called as anguli pitha and tea. So that's all for today's video. Until next time, bye.